Today I will show you how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. The first thing you will have to do is to enter this website, simsmultiplayer.com. Here you will tap the download tab, and here you will have to click the download button. When you scroll down, you will see that there is an installation guide here. An important thing is that you have to go to the options in your The Sims game and enable these two options, you and your friend. Then you will have to download and extract this thing here. You have to extract it in the Sims folder, alright? And then you have to allow SAMP through the firewall settings so you can play with your friend. Then you have to click LAN in SAMP, select your prepared save game to host, and share your VPN or IP address with your friend so he can join your room, alright? So leave a like, subscribe, and see you.